Hello everyone, and welcome back. This morning I went to the airport. The flight got delayed because of the weather, but eventually I got myself down to Louisiana.
Put the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing.
Tonight I've just been trimming up some of the trees, pulling down some of the vines. The yard service that comes out and does the yard every couple of weeks does a real nice job of mowing, but I know this part right here, we specifically told them not to do anything with this vine. This is a muscadine. And then on the other side of this we have a grapevine. Well, since nobody is going through here all the time, it's going absolutely nuts, so I'm definitely going to have to cut some of this back. All I brought on the airplane was a backpack that had my camera stuff in it, my laptop, and then a little carry-on bag with just about 2.5 sets of clothes is what I've got. So when I got here, turned on all the water because it's been over a year. Everything worked fine. Turned on the water heater. I have hot water now. Set up a little TV so I can watch Star Trek. I set up a little cot right there for sleeping. Set up Melissa and I's camping kitchen right there to set stuff on. Threw up a temporary shower curtain here. So I should definitely be good for the few days that I'm going to be here. We had the thermostat set on 80 degrees, and today when I got off the plane it was 97 degrees. You walk outside right now, it's got to still be 90 out there. I don't exactly know what it is, but it's super humid, so it just slaps you in the face. And that was, let's see, it's been probably about 4 hours now or so, and it's dropped it down to 72. It should be shutting off pretty soon. So it's super nice in here. And it's actually quite miserable out here. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Tomorrow is a brand new day. I got different people coming out here to give different bids on different things that need to be done inside the house. It's going to be busy. I will see you guys on the next video.